What is going on, Rocket Lab investors? So we are at $24.06 in the after hours, $23.75. The fact that we closed at $24 is absolutely berserk. I did not expect this price range so early. I fully expected this price to be about a year from now, closer to Neutron, maybe a little bit after Neutron. I think the market is just going absolutely insane, and there's a lot of opportunity for people to make money right now. I'm more of an investor for Rocket Lab, so I'm definitely holding on. But I'm fully expecting a pullback at some point, which will be nice because if we had a massive pullback, then I could buy some more shares. But honestly, I fully don't expect a pullback to happen. I think we're going to score another contract very, very soon. And we had something interesting happen this morning. So if you were paying attention into the pre-market, Rocket Lab hit $27. And then right before, well, shortly after, it bottomed out back to 23, opened, and then we settled at 24. I have a feeling that due to the uptick to 27, which is absolutely insane. If you have 10,000 shares, that's $270,000 worth of Rocket Lab. You double that, that's just insane money. And there's people out there with 20,000 shares, 25,000, 30,000. I definitely wish I had that much, but you have to pay attention to what's going on. And a lot of people don't realize that we hit $27, but that was in the pre-market before the open. And I think that was due to the fact that, well, I should say two things. We had great news today, but I also think it was partially because some shorts were trying to cover their position. So the things that happened today that were awesome: Neutron launched two rockets today in two different hemispheres. So if you're not aware, Rocket Lab has two launch locations, and it's nice we're actually finally launching one from that other location in New Zealand. So we launched from the US and New Zealand today. Well, I should say, and they launched 24 hours apart from each other. But in addition to that, which this is massive, this is absolutely massive. This just shows how the potential that Rocket Lab has. Now we're going to start launching from New Zealand. Hopefully we start getting contracts from Europe. But there's also some other good news that we were awarded a small little contract. Rocket Lab doesn't have a ton of money. We've got, 500 mil on cash. So we also received a contract or an incentive for 23.9 million due to the Semiconductor Manufacturing under the CHIPS and Science Act. The award will increase its compound semiconductor manufacturing capability and capability at its facility in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So the CHIPS Act has just been pretty much providing companies with some money, and it's nice that Rocket Labs was able to score 23.9 million. Any little bit helps. So those two rocket launches and then the 23.9 million, and I think due to a short covering their position, we were able to hit $27 in the pre-market this morning. It sucks that we're down into the 23 range, but honestly, the fact that we're in the 23 range is absolutely awesome. I want to know your thoughts and opinions. Do you think we're going to hit 27 really soon, or do you think that was just kind of a one-off situation? Which it is very shocking, and it's very impressive that they were able to hit $27. I never thought I would say that with Rocket Lab this close to when I bought some shares. Like I said, I was expecting this to be happening next year, mid next year, closer to Neutron, maybe a little bit after Neutron. If Rocket Lab can continue to maintain the momentum in the $20 range, and let's say that we score that December contract for $2 billion, we are going to skyrocket to maybe, I think we could potentially hit $50 to $60. I think the momentum would just be absurd, and we could just hit an insane price. So I want to know your thoughts and opinions. Comment down below where you think the stock price is going, how you feel about it. Were you watching the pre-market like me, saw that it opened, or saw that it hit 27 and was just like, oh man, what are we going to open at? I really kind of thought we were going to hit 27 when the market opened, but I'll take 24 all day long. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great one. This video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial investments.